16代目のクラウン、日本の歴史に重ね合わせれば、それは明治維新です。ご覧ください。新しい時代の幕開けです。
Buckle up for an automotive revolution that could shake up the electric vehicle scene. Toyota's CEO just dropped a bombshell unveiling a groundbreaking engine that could challenge the EV dominance. Is this the curveball that could derail the electric revolution? Are we witnessing a seismic shift in the auto world, or just another bold claim in the cutthroat car industry? Let's dive in. Toyota's journey through engine tech is one wild ride. From its humble beginnings to the brink of reshaping the industry, Toyota's story screams innovation, grit, and vision. Did you know they started by churning out trucks for W2? Talk about a foundation. Post-war Toyota kicked it up a notch, refining their engine game. Think rugged and reliable engines like the R-Series powering Toyota's early hits. Fast forward to the 90s and 00S, and Toyota's rolling out lean burn engines and variable valve wizardry, setting benchmarks for eco-friendliness before it was cool. But hold on to your seats because Toyota's not done yet. The Dynamic Force engine family, it's a game changer, blending fuel efficiency and power like never before. And now in 2024, Toyota's teasing a breakthrough that could flip the script entirely. Enter hydrogen-powered engines and water-powered wonders. Picture this, engines emitting nothing but water vapor fueled by hydrogen, the universe's most abundant element. It's not just about cutting emissions anymore. It's about rewriting the rulebook on how cars impact our planet. And the best part, we're just scratching the surface. How will these engines handle the real deal? What's it like driving a water-powered beast? The answers could redefine the joy of hitting the road. With Toyota gearing up for the big reveal, one thing's crystal clear. We're on the verge of an auto revolution, and Toyota's leading the pack. So buckle up, because the ride's about to get wild. Toyota's hydrogen-powered internal combustion engines are revolutionizing the automotive industry with their innovative use of hydrogen as a fuel source. Unlike traditional gasoline engines or electric vehicles, these engines burn hydrogen directly, emitting almost zero CO2 emissions. This makes them a promising solution for reducing environmental impact and moving towards a sustainable future. But what sets hydrogen engines apart from other eco-friendly options? It all comes down to their combustion process. While hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles generate electricity through chemical reactions, hydrogen internal combustion engines, HICs, burn hydrogen directly, similar to gasoline engines. This direct combustion results in minimal CO2 emissions, with only trace amounts of other pollutants being produced. Toyota has taken this technology a step further by modifying existing gasoline engines to run on hydrogen. By integrating high-pressure hydrogen storage tanks and redesigning fuel supply and injection systems, they've created engines capable of delivering impressive performance while emitting significantly fewer emissions. In addition to their environmental benefits, hydrogen engines offer exciting possibilities for performance. The rapid combustion rate of hydrogen allows for highly responsive engines, making them suitable for applications like motorsports. Toyota's commitment to hydrogen technology extends beyond just automotive applications. They're actively working on green hydrogen production and infrastructure development, aiming to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. By combining the familiarity of traditional engine designs with the environmental advantages of hydrogen, Toyota is reshaping the future of transportation. Overall, hydrogen-powered internal combustion engines offer a compelling alternative to traditional gasoline engines and electric vehicles, providing both environmental benefits and exciting performance capabilities. The key factor here is their emission profile. Unlike traditional gasoline engines, which emit a significant amount of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas contributing to global warming, Toyota's hydrogen engines produce zero CO2 emissions during operation. The primary emission from these engines is water vapor, making them an incredibly clean alternative in terms of greenhouse gas emissions. But is it really possible to have an engine with such minimal environmental impact? Yes, it is. The secret lies in the combustion process of hydrogen engines. When hydrogen fuel is burned in these engines, it reacts with oxygen from the air to produce energy, with water vapor being the only byproduct. This process starkly contrasts with the combustion of fossil fuels, where carbon in the fuel combines with oxygen to produce CO2. The elimination of CO2 emissions from the tailpipe is a significant step towards reducing the automotive industry's environmental footprint. But how does this compare to HEVs and PHEVs? HEVs, which combine a gasoline engine with an electric motor, and PHEVs, which can be plugged in to charge their batteries, offer improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions compared to conventional gasoline vehicles. However, they still rely on gasoline and therefore produce CO2 emissions during operation, albeit at lower levels than traditional vehicles. In contrast, hydrogen engines offer the potential for true zero-emission driving, as long as the hydrogen fuel is sourced sustainably. Another environmental aspect to consider is the life cycle emissions of these vehicles. While HEVs and PHEVs have batteries that require rare earth elements and often involve energy-intensive manufacturing processes, hydrogen engines avoid these challenges. The production of hydrogen fuel, especially when derived from renewable sources like wind or solar power, can be less environmentally taxing than battery production, offering a more sustainable overall life cycle. But what about the efficiency of hydrogen engines? The efficiency of a hydrogen combustion engine can be similar to that of a traditional combustion engine, and in some cases slightly higher. This is particularly relevant in heavy-duty applications, where the efficiency of hydrogen engines can match that of hydrogen fuel cells. The fuel cell, which has a high efficiency peak at low load, tends to drop in efficiency at high loads. In contrast, hydrogen combustion engines have a peak at high load, making them suitable for applications where high performance is required. As the world grapples with the challenges of climate change and resource depletion, technologies like Toyota's hydrogen engines offer a ray of hope, promising cleaner, greener transportation without compromising on performance or practicality. Toyota's shift towards hydrogen fuel technology is a fascinating journey into the future of automotive engineering. But how does Toyota manage to maintain engine performance while switching to a completely different fuel source? The answer lies in the innovative hydrogen combustion process. Instead of traditional fuel injection systems, Toyota employs a high-pressure hydrogen direct injection system, ensuring precise control and optimizing performance. Despite the challenges of hydrogen's low density compared to gasoline, Toyota's engineers have fine-tuned the engine components, including turbocharging, to deliver competitive power and torque figures. This, coupled with the engine's efficiency gains, translates into better fuel economy and significantly reduced emissions, with only water vapor as the byproduct. Toyota's commitment to carbon neutrality doesn't stop at hydrogen technology. The company embraces a diversified approach, including electric vehicle technology. By offering a range of powertrain options, Toyota aims to cater to different customer needs and driving conditions while considering regional energy sources and environmental policies. This multifaceted strategy ensures that Toyota remains at the forefront of sustainable mobility solutions. Toyota's quest for carbon neutrality is an ambitious journey, but it's just the tip of the iceberg. To grasp the full impact of Toyota's strategy, we need to zoom out and see the bigger picture. Achieving carbon neutrality requires a holistic approach involving advancements in vehicle tech, energy production, infrastructure, and consumer behavior. Toyota's multi-pronged strategy and sustainability efforts are a comprehensive attempt to tackle these challenges head-on. As Toyota ventures into hydrogen engine development, it's stepping into uncharted territory filled with challenges and untapped potential. One major hurdle is infrastructure. The current lack of widespread hydrogen fueling stations poses a significant barrier, but investing in a robust refueling network could lead to a clean, efficient fuel system that reduces our reliance on fossil fuels. Safety is another critical concern with hydrogen engines, given the fuel's flammability. Toyota's rigorous engineering and safety protocols aim to address these risks, but education and awareness are also key to ensuring public safety. Despite the challenges, the promise of hydrogen engines is undeniable. Offering zero-emission transportation and performance comparable to traditional engines, they represent a major leap towards a sustainable automotive future. Toyota's water-powered engine initiative takes sustainability to the next level, harnessing the energy potential of water through electrolysis. By using hydrogen extracted from water as fuel, these engines emit no carbon dioxide or harmful pollutants, paving the way for a greener automotive industry.
Toyota's water-powered engine initiative is not just about innovation, it's about shaping the future of transportation. With patents filed and a commitment to sustainability, Toyota is on a mission to revolutionize the automotive industry. But how does this fit into global environmental goals, and what does it mean for electric vehicles? Let's dive in. Toyota's vision for the future of transportation is clear. Sustainability is key. Hydrogen and water-powered engines offer a clean alternative to traditional fossil fuels, emitting only water vapor when burned. This aligns perfectly with international accords like the Paris Agreement, emphasizing the need to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change. But Toyota's innovation doesn't stop there. By addressing the limitations of current electric vehicles, such as range anxiety and long charging times, with hydrogen vehicles that can be refueled quickly, Toyota is challenging the status quo. This not only expands consumer options, but also opens up new possibilities for sustainable transportation. As these technologies evolve, they hold the potential to disrupt the automotive industry as we know it, offering exciting possibilities for the future of mobility. So buckle up and stay tuned for what's next on the road to a greener, more sustainable future.